Join me as I dive into the future of aviation technology and explore what's next for the skies. The aviation industry has seen incredible advancements over the years, from the development of commercial jets to the latest innovations in drone technology. It's exciting to think about what lies ahead. Today, we'll discuss the challenges facing aviation, the cutting-edge innovations, and what the future holds. One of the biggest challenges today is sustainability. With growing concerns over climate change, airlines and manufacturers face pressure to reduce their carbon footprint. This includes developing fuel-efficient aircraft, exploring alternative fuels, and adopting sustainable practices across the industry. Safety is another constant priority, with the industry working to enhance safety standards and reduce risks. As we look to the future, new technologies are transforming aviation. The move towards autonomous and connected systems increases the need for AI, cybersecurity, and data analytics. While these technologies hold immense promise, they also bring new risks, like cyber attacks and data security issues. Alongside these tech challenges, consumer expectations are evolving. Passengers are demanding more personalized, seamless travel experiences, driving innovation in biometric identification and mobile check-ins. Simultaneously, there's growing demand for efficient, sustainable travel options. Electric aircraft are at the forefront of aviation's future. They have the potential to drastically reduce emissions and operating costs. Then there's autonomous flying, such as drones and unmanned aerial vehicles, which could transform air travel as we know it. Also, innovations in air traffic management, using AI and machine learning, are helping optimize flight routes and reduce congestion. One groundbreaking project is the Electric Vertical Takeoff and Landing (eVTOL) aircraft. This revolutionary technology could change urban mobility, offering fast, efficient, and eco-friendly city travel. With companies already testing eVTOL aircraft, the future of aviation is looking exciting. In conclusion, the future of aviation is bright. From electric aircraft to AI-driven air traffic management, these innovations promise to reduce emissions, improve safety, and meet changing consumer demands. What do you think aviation will look like in the future? Let us know in the comments below. For more insights on the latest tech trends, don't forget to subscribe for more videos.